Today's lesson is on simplifying square roots. First, there are perfect roots that you need to memorize on your own. These will give you perfect integers from 1 to 10. Let's write the numbers in the perfect roots below so you can track better. Let's remove these. To simplify square roots, find two numbers to multiply into the given number, but one of the multipliers has to be one of the numbers below. When you are not sure which numbers to pick, try looking at the numbers below and divide the given number with those. The biggest divisible number will be the way to go. In this case, 4 is the perfect square. 12 can be equal to 4 times 3, so we are writing square root of 4 times square root of 3. Square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 3. When you have an integer multiplied by a rational number, write the integer first and the irrational number next to it to get the answer. In this case, we get 2 square root 3. 2 times square root 3 and square root 3 are the same thing, so don't get confused. Next is square root of 48. Which of these perfect squares below is the multiplier of 48? 16 goes into 48, so it can be simplified as 16 times 3. We are writing square root 48 is equal to square root 16 times square root 3. Square root of 16 is the perfect root, and that's 4 times square root 3, which is 4 square root 3. Don't let the big numbers scare you, because they are easily solvable in most cases. 81 is the perfect square that goes in 162. 162 can be written as 81 times 2. Square root of 81 is the perfect square. That gives us 9 times square root 2, and that's 9 square root 2. Having integers in front of a square root, just like we mentioned before, is an integer times the given root. In this case, we have 2 square root 18. First, write the integer times, and then continue like we were before. Square root 18 is square root 9 times square root 2. Square root of 9 is the perfect square. Write 2 times 3 square root 2. Now multiply integers with integers and squares with squares. We only have one square root here, but in the next lesson there will be multiple irrational numbers, and I'm just preparing you for that. Here we have 6 times square root 2. By removing the multiplication mark, we get 6 square root 2. Our last example is 3 root 72. The perfect square that goes in 72 is 36. We write 3 times. Square root 72 is equal to square root 36 times square root 2. Square root 36 is 6, and the rest stays the same. Multiplying integers and leaving the square root, we get 18 root 2, and that's the answer. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.